Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video marks the beginning of week number 55. This road to 100k realized return challenge. I'm doing this video a little bit later in the week because there was simply nothing that we can do on Monday and on Tuesday as well. And so yeah, there were no trades, and so there was no update in terms of our portfolio and our holdings. And so, but now that we know why the IWM calls on Tuesday were so rich in terms of premium, it was because of the CPI, the announcement of the consumer price index in the United States, and so apparently the investors liked it. The stock, the IWM, climbed strongly yesterday, and because of that, I think it's in here. Yeah, so this is what happened yesterday. The stock climbed very strongly, and if you recall, we had sold the calls with a strike price of 224 in order to break even on the price, and so yeah, they were basically shot up a lot, and so as a result we were forced to sell the shares. Of course, we left a lot of money on the table, but at the time, yeah, the stock was trading in around 219 to 220. So yeah, it is what it is. We could not expect this. We could not predict such a strong climb. But as things stand at the moment, we broke even. We kept our premium, and we still we sold the shares back. Now, as we stand, we sold some puts, but of course we could not use a lot size of 12 because now the strike price is more expensive, so we need more money as a collateral, and so we could only sell 11 put contracts. The premium was poor, rather poor. It was only 18 cents per share. Yeah, there it is, and I can also show you here. Yes, it was 18 cents. We paid quite a lot of fees, but yeah, whatever. And now, as the stock started to continue to go up, the puts are now have now lost some value, and I've already input an order because we are very drawing very thin on the buying power. We used everything we could. I already put an order to buy this back at 1 cent when it arrives there. Because we could not use a lot size 12, we could only use a size 11, a lot size 11. We use the remaining cash to sell 3 puts on ARKK, the innovation ETF. We sold 2 puts at the strike price of 76, and then another one at 75.50. The stock when we did the trade was around 78, so it still remains. The probabilities of profit were above the 80, so yeah, it can still happen, but as things stand, yeah, we have to keep in mind that the possibility of being a sign is always more risky because the volatility is so much greater in the ARKK. But in the IWM, we were a bit more conservative because the stock was already trading in the 228, but 227, it was also too close to the strike price, to the stock price, and the probability was lower. It was around 78, 79. So we decided to play a little bit safer. And even though we receive less premium, we can still roll over this one, roll over these puts to QQQ puts or to a bit higher strike price if we can. But if we cannot, we leave it like that. So, but in principle, once we buy back these puts, because I assume that's what's going to happen later in the day, we'll roll over to the QQQ and to get some more premium out of this, because of course this premium is not that much. If we let these shares aside, we buy back those shares. If we assume that, for example, fees of $5, we still get 25%, 25.5% annualized, but yeah, it's not that much. So yeah, we 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 pretty much want to get some more premium out of this cash. But for the time being, this is all. Let's see what's going to happen. These ARKK puts expire on Friday. These IWM would expire today, but let's see what happens. For the time being, this is all. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm also available on LinkedIn in case you want to ask me any questions. And of course, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll reconvene at the end of the week to see how the trades panned out. And by the way, of course, in the thumbnail, the realized value will be the same as on Saturday in the last video, because of course there were no trades closed. That the closed trades were not yet in the latest activity report. So that's it. I'll see you all in the next one.